Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about Shibtoro, which is up 72% in the last 24 hours. We saw a very nice consolidation pattern forming over the past couple weeks. We've been talking about it during live streams. I even did my first video review. I am a proud sponsor for the next month with Shibtoro. I hope it lasts longer than that, but there's a reason for that. Actually, there are many reasons for that. So, full disclosure, though, partnership with ShibToro. Want to get that out of the way, of course, so you know that that is a thing, right? Now, with all that being said, I've put my own hard-earned money into ShibToro as well because the number one thing that I love about this project is how much it's driven by its community. So much so that they have Flexonomics and not tokenomics. So if you're yet to hear about Flexonomics, we're going to get into it a little bit in this video. But before we even go over there, here's their Twitter page, by the way, at Shibtoro. It's listed already on Hotbit and BKEX. They've got some conversations forming right now with other exchanges. Of course, that's always a process for all of these new projects. But look at the chart here. Look at these are daily candlesticks. So up 74% actually right now. A little bit over 3,300 holders at the moment. Daily volume is way up from a few days ago, upwards to $650,000 of daily volume. Now, Shibtoro, as you can see, it's relatively new, right? And we're going to talk about Flexonomics, but I also want to talk about just the community in and of itself and use case. Here's the cool thing about Shibtoro. It's that the community will drive the future use case of this asset. Similar to what we saw with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was built first on community, right? Making sure that the community had a say-so in where this thing goes, right? That's how Shiba Inu became as big as it did, because the community had a voice. Now they're voting on Shiba swap pairs and what have you through the DAO. Shibtoro is taking a page out of a very successful project's book and saying that, yes, we want to do something similar and give the people the power. They're doing that right now through Flexonomics. Now, of course, they're going to have some things come out like NFTs and a play to earn, but they're also going to let the community drive those projects forward and then also drive the future of this ecosystem forward as well. And they're doing so, a lot of that is coming through this right here, Flexonomics, meaning this tax right here that you see, this can change from time to time. How it changes, the community decides. Now, how cool is that? I really honestly think that more projects are going to take a page out of Shibtoro's book in this case and do more of a Flexonomics approach. Now, how could this benefit the community? How could it benefit the asset? Well, it depends on market conditions. Maybe they can adjust things based on market conditions, the tax, right? Maybe they want to increase the sell tax a little bit at times, right? When they have, certain catalysts coming, right? Basically, here's really what it comes down to. The community votes on this, and that is the epitome of decentralization. That's the epitome of why so many people get involved in crypto, because it gives the power back to the people. And Shibtoro has that at the forefront, which I really like. Now, in terms of their roadmap right now, you can see here they are KYC certified. The website, of course, has been revealed. They've knocked out all these initial bullet points, and right now they're working still to get that $20 million market cap, a ways away, but we know it's a process, right? And to say that it's going to get there, right now, I don't think we could say that. But do I believe it could? Do I have confidence in the fact that this community and others could help drive it forward? And again, I think a lot of it comes from their own community. Yes, I do think it could happen. Certainly. It is certainly in the cards. And it is one in 2022 that I am really interested in moving forward. Now, in terms of how you can buy it, of course, I mentioned a couple of these centralized exchanges, but you can go the route of Uniswap as well if you so choose. Personally, I don't really, go with the centralized exchanges other than Coinbase and Crypto.com for me. That's just for me personally, but not financial advice. But you can buy on Uniswap. Dex Tools chart. Let's go back over there and take a look, actually. So if we zoom in here, we can go to the hourly chart. We could see what happened here late last night as we just had a really nice pop in the price here. So You could zoom all the way out to the beginning of the project. You could see what was happening here since March, basically. The first, for the last 3 weeks, we've just been kind of trading in this tight range with a little bit of a pop here back on March 8th into the 13 range here. But otherwise, just been consolidating kind of in these 8s and 9s for the most part of March until yesterday, where we saw an influx of money come in. Now, you can see on the hourly chart, we're finding some consolidation again. We're trading pretty tight here in this 16 range at the time of this recording. So we'll have to continue to watch it. It's right now, it's trading at 16.27. You could see here it's getting close to where it was on that initial pop at launch, where it actually, was pretty much double from where it is right now. So it would take another double up to get us back to all-time highs here with Shibtoro. But the ball's in your court always. Not financial advice. I'm just telling you why I like Shibtoro, why I've personally put my money into it, and of course, also being very transparent here and saying that I am a proud partner of Shibtoro and what they're doing. I had a chance to talk with the dev team. They're fully doxed to me. I know Brandon has been fully doxed for a while on Telegram, and Chad is getting ready to be fully doxed. He talked about that in a recent AMA. When the project hits a certain milestone, he will dox as well. So that's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know your thoughts about Shibtoro. Have you been looking at this one? Love to get your ideas and thoughts. I think great conversation down below, whether you agree with me or disagree. I think it's great to have good conversation down below in the comments. So keep it clean down there, and appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Enjoy March Madness if you're into that too. So take care, everybody. I will see you in the next video.